So the name of this is Chasing 20. Chasing a 20-inch trout on a fly.
Easy head is contemplated. Time been way too long, way too long, way too long. Conversations kill.
Just let a man breathe and just hush so my mind could just see, so my mind don't erupt. At times I feel I can't get enough, but I sip a double cup and I spill a couple ducks.
Oh my God. I honestly don't even know if it's worth trying to fish this shit, because it is just pure mud. But honestly, I got nothing better to do. It's a Sunday. I don't know if you guys, you can't even see an inch down into that. But nobody else is fishing. And I've caught fish here before. Yeah, this might get real interesting because I have no clue. That is crazy how you literally can't see an inch down. But as I like to say, just because it's mucky doesn't mean the fish aren't gonna eat. They gotta eat. This is so stupid. I don't even know why I'm out here. I'm gonna be like, I might freak out if I actually catch something, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but I might have to whip out my big camera to actually show you guys, but like, you literally can't see an inch down. Like, it is totally blown out. That's what it looks like. That is absolutely brutal. Like, seriously. Oh God, I'm zooming in. Oh, I'm still zooming in. Oh. There we go. Yeah, that's absolutely brutal. I don't know what I was thinking that I could fish this. I saw everybody farther downstream and I'm like, huh. And as I was driving up here, I was like, it doesn't look great. And then I got here and it's this. Friggin' chocolate milk. Like, look at it hit that rock. You can't even do anything. You can't see anything. Oh my God, this is just dumb. Just dumb. I don't even know what to do. I want to sit here and just hang out, but like, holy shit, I can't even fish. But maybe we'll just go downstream farther and see what it looks like, I guess. There's nothing else I could really do, so let's hop back in the truck. Fish, let's go. Let's go. If I could land this little brown, I'm gonna have to bring him over here so I don't have a net. And he's gonna freak the fuck out. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's go. First fish of the day. Just hammered it. Oh, come on. Oh, is he off? Oh, he's off. Well, the only thing that was holding him was he got out of that, and then my second hook got him. Woo! Nice little brownie. Let's go. Getting her back. He gone. He gone. Been fishing for about an hour. The river's not looking great, but we're getting her done. God, I really got to buy a net. Man, this water's cool as heck. All right, I knew it. I knew it was gonna happen. Ooh, ooh. Definitely thought that was a bite. Definitely not. But
Yep, I'm flying through the air. This is not good.
Whoa, my God. I was just... I really hope I got that on video. I sent that... Oh my God, I sent this rainbow into the stratosphere, dude. Holy shit. Oh, come on, little buddy. Well, hopefully you guys can see that little tiny rainbow going back. Ah, he'll make it. I really hope you guys saw that. Oh my God. I set the hook and I was like, oh God, that was a rock. No, definitely indeed was not a rock. It was a puny, minuscule, little tiny rainbow. Oh my God. Doesn't get much better than sending a 4-inch rainbow soaring through the sky. Well, we got 2 on the day. I'll take that, I guess. Let me give you guys a walkthrough on what exactly I'm trying to do here. So the name of this is Chasing 20. Chasing a 20-inch trout on a fly. Not really that much else to it. That is the entire goal. Chasing 20. I've never caught a 20-inch trout before. I mean, my biggest that I've measured, 16.5. It's, God, is it fucking hot. It's so god-awfully hot. And I have fucking waders on. And I only brought Birkenstocks for shoes, and it's rocky. I'm a complete idiot. I don't want to be wearing these waders. I don't even know if I want to fish. But I got nothing else to do. I got nothing else to do. And that's the sucky part as well. I got nothing else to do.